Hey guys, today we got a 2020 Mosaic TMALL, is what I think it's called. This goes for like $300 plus. Some guys are trying to sell them for like $500. We're looking for this exclusive gold wave is the money card in these. There's only 6 cards. And I think they're numbered to 17. Hoping to get quarterback or something cool. There's one pack in here. This is it. Man, they really seal it.
For the price, they seal it.
Yeah. Oh, we got it.
You think it's gonna be the last card or
I think
first
so.
card?
That's what it looks like.
Wow.
The DJ Moore. Or Randy Moss. Aaron Rodgers.
Is that it? Is that the gold
That's
one?
the card.
What is it under?
Yep, out of 17.
Is it 12?
8 out of 17.
Dang, it
It's
was
8.
12.
Nice. That's going to be real nice.
Let me see that one.
Alright. And we got a MVP Peyton Manning. A Lamar. DeAndre Swift.
There's only one that sold, and it sold for 300.
300 for the one that sold.
It doesn't say the number either that it's
Maybe
was.
if it wasn't numbered. Nice, that's awesome. We got DeAndre Swift, and then the Kid Reporter. That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's one to get.
That's the one.
Gold color match, dude.
It's a color match?
Yeah, it's gold on.
Wow.
Awesome. This is it.
So yeah, this sold in 2021 too, so it might be even more money now.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.